Hi, my name is John with Greenlight Property Management, and today we are here at 117 Summit Cove in Trophy Club, Texas. The zip code is 76262. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's approximately 1,927 square feet. You can see here from the layout of the front, it is a unique home. We are right across the street from a golf course here in Trophy Club. But here is kind of layout of the front area. These homes are unique in that the front door really isn't in the front of the house. As you can see here, we have a driveway that leads up to a garage, right? And here is kind of the street. As you can see, very nice neighborhood here. You can see most of the front is actually hardscaped here, so you don't ever really have to worry about lawn work. You see here a nice two-car driveway leading up to a 2-car garage. Now obviously, depending on size, that's really what it matters, right? So if you have a bigger SUV and a truck, they may not fit in there because you also are going to probably store things in there. So you can see here, bushes are nice and trim. We added some mulch, so you can really do anything you want with this flower bed. You can see here we have another flower bed here, so you can really do whatever you want with this home. So let's go inside and check it out. This is a 2-story home, and you'll see as soon as we walk in the staircase here. These are very unique homes, and you'll see as we kind of go throughout the home that it's fairly unique. When we walk in, you can see here, nice grand entrance. It's just completely open, which is so nice. We have our living room. Obviously, the staircase in through here is the dining. We have our kitchen in through here. And then we have bedroom, bathroom going out to the garage, our laundry area. So there's a whole lot as soon as you walk in here in the front door. And that's my favorite part about this, is it's very, very open. So as you can see here, nice entry, very, very welcoming. And let's go ahead and enter here into the living room. As you can see, lots of windows, so lots of good lighting. And you can see the golf course right there. The pond is right there. Just a really, really nice view. Vaulted ceilings, as you can see, with recessed lighting. Tile floors in here. The living room does have a small back patio, as you can see here. And just an overall big space in here. And then obviously the vaulted ceilings make the square footage seem even more than it already is. Nice wood burning fireplace there, brick fireplace. And then here we have our dining room there. You can see we got a new light fixture. And this dining area also has an outdoor small patio that is covered. And then we flow here into the kitchen. Get a view from this angle here of everything. But we roll right in here into the kitchen. As you can see, nice cabinets, all white appliances. We have oven range there, glass top oven range, microwave. And then over here we have our dishwasher. We do not provide a refrigerator, but that is the location. Sink does have a garbage disposal. And plenty of room for wine bottles, as you can see here. So moving on, we're gonna go ahead and check out this front bedroom, literally right here. This is, it is a bedroom. This is a very small bedroom. I would say this would be better suited for like an office space. Or a small child's room. If not, this could be just used as any extra room within the house. Just taking into account that it is small. So, but it is a nice room. Updated flooring in here. You can see it does have a closet. One thing to mention, this entry does have a closet here. And you can see kind of tucks away in there like that. Going on this way, we'll check out laundry and garage later, but we do have the main bedroom downstairs. This, I guess, would be the master downstairs, and then upstairs has another similar kind of master bedroom. So you can see here, nice bedroom, same updated floors in here. We do have this, and I know I talked about the other room is better suited for an office. You can really use this whole house to your own space, to your own advantage. And just a really good sized room in here. This room also does have a closet as well. And it's a nice big walk-in closet, as you can see. And this is a kind of a Jack and Jill style bathroom. You can enter it from this room like that. I guess the door is locked, but you can enter from that way, or you can enter from this way. Let me unlock this for us. So you can see here that from the room you can enter, and you can close this for privacy, or vice versa. Close the room off for privacy and leave the bathroom open to everybody, right? So let me turn this on around here. As you can see, nice vanity setup with recessed lights, towel bars, nice sink setup here, lots of cabinet space, continued tile floors in here. Nice little hamper area here with extra space. Towel bar teepee holder for the toilet. Tub is nicely sealed off. Just a nice bathroom down here, very spacious. So moving on up the stairs here, we'll check out the stairs. Very nice, lots of wood in this home, as you can see. So let's head on up the stairs here. You'll see we do have a little window there with a light. Kind of look down here. And then we have our upstairs hallway. You can see updated vinyl up here as well. And then here, like I said, this is more of an ensuite, like the upstairs master bedroom in a way. The downstairs has one very similar. Good space in here. The difference being this is one upstairs, and two, it has a little patio for this room. So let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. This is a massive bathroom. You can see here, the tub is really, really unique and cool, and you can see how low it lays to the ground. You see there you have a single sink with a good sized vanity, toilet area with an exhaust fan. We have our shower area here, and you can see it's just tile with a recessed light. And then we have some more cabinet space here, as you can see, leads on into the master closet there. And then we have another vanity set up here. So going on in here into the closet, you can see this is a walk-in closet, just like downstairs, except it's even bigger. So let's go check out that balcony. So like I said, this room does have a bonus balcony, and it does overlook the golf course over there, as you can see. And I would say in the summer and stuff, you have a lot of privacy here. And shade as well. All right, so let's go downstairs. We'll check out the laundry area, the garage, and then we'll go out into the back. Like I mentioned, that garage is a 1 to 2 car garage, depending on size. And we will provide one remote for the garage. Let's go back here. Like I mentioned here, this is the laundry area. So you'll see we have our washer hookup, our dryer vent hookup, and the outlet. And the unique thing about it is you can close these off, and it's nice and tucked away. So here we have the garage. As you can see, it actually is a big space in here. So let's go check out the backyard. Like I mentioned, this living room here has a patio. And then we do have a covered patio here because of that upstairs balcony. So let's go check it out. So you can see here we have privacy here with the fence up. And then here you can see it is covered from the upstairs patio. And then you kind of essentially have a downstairs patio too with it. And you can really see the view much better out here. Like I mentioned, this is a hardscape. So you'll kind of see here the back of the house and the balcony and stuff like that with the rocks. Kind of come over this way and we'll check out the living room patio here, as you can see. And then this way goes around onto the front where we were just at in the very beginning of the video. So but again, we're here at 117 Summit Cove in Trophy Club, Texas. Zip code is 76262. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, 2 stories. Very nice area here in Trophy Club, and you're right on a golf course. So be sure to look at the links in the description and go and apply for this home. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.